How to cancel your Gemini Pro subscription. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel your Gemini's advanced subscription. First thing you have to do is go to gemini.google.com and make sure that you are logged in with your correct account. If you have a Pro version, it will show you this little circular icon with Google's logo's colors, and you just have to click on it. So make sure that you are logged into your correct account. Now find the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen over here and just click on it. Once you click on that, just go ahead and click on Manage Subscription and you'll be taken over to Google One settings. Now you'll get free storage as well, and then from there you should be able to find the option to cancel membership. Now click on the drop down, and then from there you should be able to find this cancel button. Go ahead and click on it, then simply click on cancel membership again. It will show you what it does. So your stories shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos unless you free up storage. So it will use up all of your storage as well. And just click on cancel, and then here again go to manage to your subscriptions page. Now go ahead and click on cancel subscription, and then select the reason that you want to cancel. Now explain why you're making this cancellation, and then click on continue. Now finally, this is the final step. You will be asked for a final time to cancel the subscription. Go ahead and click on it and you should be good to go. Now the subscription has been canceled. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.